Hey, it's Mark Loftus with Post Magazine. We're back at NAB 2012. I'm here with AntNasce from TheFoundry, based in the UK.
Hello.
They're here at NAB. They've got a number of new products to talk about, but Ant is going to talk specifically about their Hero solution, which I'm a little familiar with it, but for those of our readers who aren't, what can you tell us about Hero?
Sure. So Hero is a shot management, conform and delivery tool for VFX. We built it because we wanted to try and solve some of the problems which many people are facing working in collaborative environments, in terms of getting shots out to VFX, getting them back in. How do you sort of do this review process, iterative process of VFX shots, going through different versions, and then also how do you deal with getting those shots, those selects out to finishing, and bringing those back in. So what Hero is really designed to do is to sit at the center of editorial. So we do our conform from our EDL or XML. It sits at the center of editorial, VFX and finishing, and it sort of binds those three together. So it's really designed to allow facilities to get shots out to their VFX artists, to their finishing guys, in a very seamless, painless way. And it takes a lot of the pain out of doing the very monotonous tasks, which, a lot of people have spent time, making folder structures and doing lots of copying and pasting and dragging stuff around and using really expensive finishing systems where they should be actually using them for doing the finishing and not the monotonous, boring stuff. So I guess Hero is there really to take the pain away a lot of those tasks.
Now, what's the foundation of it in the sense that, is it a storage product that is managing assets? Is it a more of an intelligent type product that is aware of what's going on within the facility? How would a facility implement it into their workflow?
So primarily Hero is a timeline tool.
Okay.
So you start off by bringing in an EDL or an XML, where you can just drag in footage and bring it into the project view, importing the clips. Any footage which Nuke can read, Hero can read. So we have the same image readers and writers. So from there, in that project, you'd be managing the bin structure, creating timelines, dealing with multiple tracks, and then exporting those tracks and shots out to VFX or for finishing.
And is it specifically for facilities that are using Nuke or your other products, or are there outside manufacturers' products who would then fit within that? So
what Hero really is designed to do is to fit in with any solution, any VFX pipeline. We ship with templates for dealing with Nuke round tripping, but it's also available. Also can be used, for any existing tool. So whether you're After Effects or Flame or whatever you've got, the fact that it's very open and scriptable means that you can integrate it very seamlessly with your pipeline. So it doesn't really matter what tool you have. It doesn't have to be Nuke. We think Nuke's the best VFX tool out there, but it's obviously whatever. It's not designed to be a one-fits-all solution. So it's really about collaboration with different tools.
Nuke has a reputation for being high-end and for facilities that are doing film work. Is that specific for Hero too, or can it be a facility that's doing commercial or television?
We've targeted Hero 1.0 really at the commercial and short form area. So dealing with very complex VFX shots for commercials and short form. But yeah, those are the kind of areas that we're dealing with at the moment with Hero. We're trying to target those,
what are you showing at NAB here now? Do you have a latest version of it?
Yeah, we've got a latest version. We've got some guys from FX Guide doing some demos, and from Maya as well, Mia. And we've got a Windows build available coming out soon. In fact, this morning the Windows beta just launched, so we're available now on Mac, Linux and Windows. And we've got some great stuff to show you at the booth as well.
Okay. Yeah. For studios that are already using Nuke, is this considered an upgrade product, a separate product? Is there packaging or pricing that you could maybe explain as far as implementing?
So Hero is designed to sort of fit with existing. It's a standalone product basically. It's designed to work alongside your VFX tools, your finishing tools. Pricing wise, you can visit the website to see those things. But typically we'd be dealing with sort of if you have a few commercials, there'd be sort of maybe 3 Hero seats working on each commercial at the same time. And Hero 1.0 was released just over a month ago, and we're looking to do quite an aggressive maintenance schedule this year for updates. And later in the year, we'll also be announcing a sort of a major update to Hero, which is going to include SDI monitor output and also full support for Windows. And we're also going to be announcing later in the day a new member of the Hero family.
Okay.
So,
now I've heard about Hero going back a little bit, and I know it's been in development for quite some while now. It only began shipping back a month ago.
That's correct. Yeah, just beginning of March. Yeah.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
What are you showing as far as work at the booth? Any studios' work being highlighted? Any of your users specifically?
Yeah. So we've got Maya doing some stuff on the booth, and also FX Guide will be demoing there as well.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, we'll have to check out the booth, see what you guys have. I want to thank you for joining us.
That'd be great.
And we're going to be back in a little bit. I think the folks from Black Magic are going to stop by the post booth and tell us what they've got here at NAB 2012, so please stay tuned. Thanks.
Thank you.